If you're a fan of vintage vehicles, custom campers, or just love stories where history meets modern function, then you're going to want to hear about this beautifully restored classic, the 1949 Chevrolet Kurbmaster Step van. Once used for commercial deliveries and logistics, this unique aluminum-bodied van has been transformed into a stealth camper, blending nostalgia, creativity, and function in a package that's both rugged and refined. Originally built by General Motors, the Step van was developed on a Chevy pickup truck chassis. Its defining features, a forward-controlled cab, high roofline, and spacious cargo area, made it a favorite among businesses. But the Kurbmaster, introduced in 1949 and constructed by Grumman Olson, took things a step further. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, the Kurbmaster was lightweight, rust-resistant, and incredibly durable. That alone made it a perfect candidate for transformation into something more personal. Fast forward to the 1970s, when this particular 1949 model was converted into a camper van during the height of America's mobile home craze. Though it has traveled decades since its first conversion, it received a full refurbishment in 2023 that's given it a new lease on life. Today, it stands as a living time capsule, and a fully functional one at that. The van's exterior remains largely true to its original form, painted in a subtle beige with a green roof, ideal for stealth camping. Only those with an eye for vintage beauty might notice the added touches, like fishing rod holders, propane tank racks, and 16-inch Mazzini Giant Saver AT tires on fresh wheels. A spotlight, chrome grille bars, and pop-out side windows give the exterior just the right amount of character without going overboard. Step inside and you're immediately transported to a retro-inspired haven. The glass entry door opens into a seamless living space with no walls separating the driver's cab from the camper's interior. The driver's seat is a work of art itself, reupholstered in rich green Krypton velvet with contrasting yellow piping, while vintage gauges fill the classic dashboard. Moving to the main living area, the vintage charm continues. Wood-paneled walls, vinyl flooring, and soft velvet upholstery speak to the camper's 1970s roots. The dual-sided kitchenette may look dated, but its functionality stands the test of time. It includes a 3-burner stove, oven, sink, fridge, and a metal flake laminate countertop. Ample storage space is provided through wood cabinets that retain their retro aesthetic while offering real-world practicality. The lounge area at the rear serves a dual purpose. By day, it's a cozy retreat. By night, it transforms into a bedroom, with 2 platform beds equipped with orthopedic cushions. Storage is cleverly integrated throughout, from upper cabinets to compartments under the beds, which also house a water tank and more. A Dearborn propane heater ensures comfort during cold nights, while a full-height closet near the sink provides generous space for clothes and gear. Under the hood, the mechanical soul of the van is a 235 cubic inch Chevrolet inline-6 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Refreshed with a new starter, distributor cap, spark plugs, and more, this old-school motorhome can still cruise at 60 miles per hour. It may not be fast, but it sure is dependable, and the driving experience is as authentic as it gets. Currently for sale in Oyster Bay, New York, this classic Kurbmaster offers a rare chance to own a piece of motoring history, one that's not only roadworthy, but outfitted for adventure. Whether you're a collector, a road tripper, or a van life enthusiast, this vintage camper proves that old steel still has a lot of stories left to tell.